I'm back again. Um, Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, anywhere you are watching me from. As you can see, I'm filming this at night because I have somewhere to go tomorrow. Oh, let's dive right into the video of today. Today I'll be talking about hashtag, and if you're new here, if you are new to my channel, we solve problem in my channel. My main aim is finding my own problem and solving it and bringing it out to the public, so that anybody having problem like mine can learn from there and solve their problem from there. That's what we do here on my channel. My previous video I talked about how to be stable and how to be able to talk on camera, and as you can see I'm doing very well because I can't even talk on camera far back then, but I can now, at least 50%. Okay, today I'll be talking about hashtags. I heard a lot of people having issues about hashtag, and even me, I'm having issues about hashtag. Few months back when I was using my channel, I can't put hashtag and the video will go viral. My friends usually ask me, is hashtag useful, is hashtag not useful? And I was having the same problem too. But recently I came across a video on YouTube which helps me to know the right hashtag to use and to know whether to put hashtag and whether not to put hashtag. Hashtag is not necessary on videos, especially shorts. Hashtag is not necessary. If you want to put hashtag, you can, maybe you are talking about video of football video or about animals, you can put hashtag animals or hashtag football. Or if you don't want to put hashtag at all, you can put hashtag shorts. The main important is hashtag is not important. I don't want to make this video long because uh, I really have to sleep now. It's getting late. Thank you guys. See you back in my next video.